Hi everyone! This is Chef Amy Caluya Geronimo of Mrs. G Baking and Decorating Studio. And this is my continuing series of yumminess for Bakersfield. Now we will do our chocolate cappuccino tart. This is best for the holidays and this can be a gorgeous centerpiece for your Christmas spread. Okay? So this is very easy to make again. Let's start off with our crushed graham. And then we will add Bakersfield cocoa powder. And then sugar. And then melted BOB or butter oil blend. The butter in this one makes it yummy. And the oil makes it really moist. Okay? So this is butter oil blend from Bakersfield. We just need to mix them all together like a regular graham crust. But this is going to be baked later on. So we just need to mix this with a wire whisk until everything is well blended. So after mixing this with a whisk, we will transfer this one into a rectangular tart pan. You can use any shape of tart pan that you like. Pwedeng bilog, pwedeng heart shape, pwedeng rectangle, whatever. Okay? What is important is that it should have a removable bottom. Okay? Para pagtanggal mo dito after baking and after putting in all the fillings, hindi ka mahihirapang tanggalin from the pan. Okay? So we just need to measure around 2 cups of this one for this size of pan. I think this is 5 by 15. Maganda itong gawing centerpiece for your Christmas spread. Medyo impressive ng kaunti. So ideally, I use this kind of measuring cup to level of the graham mixture kasi it is faster. But you can also use a pie tamper. But then kasi ito, angled ang gilid niya, kailangan natin ng straight sides dito. Alright, so ganun lang ang gawin, and then we need to put additional graham mixture for the sides. So after natin na ma-press evenly dito sa surface niya and the sides, we have to bake it 350 Fahrenheit oven for around 15 minutes. Okay? So this is how it looks like now. And then we have to keep it in the ref for, let's say, around 1 hour to keep it very stable before we cook the filling. Alright? So we will cook our filling for our chocolate and cappuccino tart. So let's start off with 2 cups of fresh milk. Any brand will do, basta fresh milk. Do not use evaporated milk kasi masyadong heavy. And then cornstarch, and then sugar. And then we will add a teaspoon of Bakersfield Flavorate Mocha flavor. And also 2 sticks of instant coffee. Wag yung 3-in-1 ha. Okay? So, kailangan talaga may kape kasi nga cappuccino. Saka kailangan, pag nilagay mo na yung kape, imimix mo na siyang mabuti. Agad-agad. So, you just need to mix it well. Okay, so when the cornstarch has melted, we can turn on the fire. Low fire lang. Huwag itong pababayaan ng halo. Kasi baka mag-curdle prematurely. At saka parang ano yan eh, ang pag-ibig daw, parang kape, lumalamig pag nakabayaan. Oh. So, when you mix this feeling, hindi ko sinasabing kumanta kayo habang niluluto nyo to, pero nakaka-good vibe. Basta kayo lang mag-isa. Okay? So, it's me and the rest of the world. Feelings, nothing more than feelings, trying to forget lies, feelings of love. Tama na. Ayan, malapit na. Nagbo-boil na. And then, pag nag-thicken na, you have to pour it immediately into your prepared tart shell. So, you see, it's starting to thicken at the bottom. So, you have to mix this non-stop. Pag yan kumulo na sa ibabaw, it's done. Okay? So, you see, nag-thicken na siya. It will just take a little while for it to thicken. So, it is thickening very fast. So, non-stop na ang paghalo mo niyan. Pag wala ka nang makitang liquid part, you have to turn off your stove. Okay? The residual heat inside the pan will finally cook your filling. Okay? So, this is done. We're ready to pour it in our pan. Yan. We have to work very fast kasi madali itong tumigas. Do not worry if it is not even dito sa sides because we're going to pipe Bakersfield fudge it dito sa gilid. So it looks like this, but do not mind the uneven surface because we will cover everything with Bakersfield fudge it later on. Okay? So after this is done, you have to keep it in the ref for around 30 minutes or so. So this is our chocolate cappuccino tart, which we have kept in the ref for around 30 minutes. And now we're ready to pipe our Bakersfield fudge it. So you get a piping tip 2D, and then you get your scoop. So, you get neater edges in your piping bag. So, traditionally kasi, ginagamitan lang yan ng spatula. But I prefer to use this one. Para hindi siya messy dito sa mga paligid. Okay? So, we just need to add a little bit more later. Wala naman itong rules in piping. Don't really need a fantastic piping skill to do this. So we have finished piping the Choco Fudge It on top of our chocolate cappuccino tart. So we will embellish this further with choco coffee wafer rolls. Okay, again, there are no rules to the direction that you want to put these rolls. Okay, so this is our finished product. Chocolate cappuccino tart, perfect for the holidays. Using Bakersfield B.O.B, Choco Fudge It, and chocolate and mocha flavorings. Okay? Merry Christmas! Happy Holidays!